Welcome! Today I'm showing how to customize volume panel styles into STK Lite 9. First of all, open your Play Store and find Volume Styles application, this one. I'm already installed this, so click Open. Wait a second for loading. And now you can see your Volume Styles panel, so maybe like iOS, will be nice. Okay, and now press in the top right corner Start button. Then you give accessibility for this application. And one more time into your settings. Use services, turn on, confirm OK. And now click No thank you. And now when you can see Stop button in the top right corner, you activate new volume styles like iOS on your STK Lite 9. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.